Hello guys, welcome to Hacknical channel. In this video we are going to look at one of the static source code vulnerability analysis tool, that is dependency check. To download this tool, just go to dependency check. This is one of the OS project which scans for the dependent vulnerabilities which are present at CVE entries. So to download this tool, just go to downloads sections and click on command line. This will download an archive for this tool for us. Once the download is finished, just go to your downloads folder, unzip, just cd into that tool dependency checker. Here all the licenses, readme and other files are present. I'll just go to bin directory. Here we will see three files: completion for dependency check, dependency check.bash, and dependency check.sh. Uh, this this is the file which we will be using on Linux environment like Kali Linux, any other Linux distribution, Mac OS, etc. And this file will be used on Windows environment. So right now I'm using dependency check.sh. To run this file, we need to provide three inputs. One is project name. I will tick as dependency check. Then you need to provide a scan file and you need to provide full path for the same: root downloads dependency check. And lastly, you need to provide output file name. I will give as dip-check.html. For the very first time, it will take around 4 to 5 minutes to download all the vulnerability records from NIST database. After that, it will, for second time onwards, it won't take such a long time. This tool has done the analysis, and the re report is returned to this file. So I'll just copy this file to var.html. Here we can see the report of the currently scanned file is presented very nicely. In this we can see the project name which we have given from command line is here. The very brief scan information is given over here. If we click on show all, it will give us more information. After that, currently it is showing only vulnerable dependencies to us from the project file. If we click on this link, then it will check, it will display all the dependencies which this tool has scanned for us. Uh, if you want to sort it using severity, then click on this button. It will sort it according to your preferences. And if we click on the dependency name, then it will redirect us to the description of that vulnerability, the which file is affected, MD5 of that file, SHA of the same file, SHA-256 of the same file is given. Up, After that, it will give us the published vulnerability details, which which are the vulnerabilities present at CVE database, as well as its CWE and CVS version 2 and CVS version 3 scores to us. After that, it will also give us the references for the same. So this tool is very nice and compact to use if you want to check for the vulnerable dependencies in your project file. So that's it for this, guys. Stay blessed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.